Hi there, I'm Mark, welcome to IronWorks Brewing, and today we're going to try one of Craig's brews, which is the Fresh Work Kit Bang Bang Boogie. Okay then, let's get this cracked open. So Craig's first venture into all grain brewing, you'll remember a few videos ago, I will put that up here as the apprentice, and he's been having a trial at a whole raft of different kits, but this one's one of the Fresh Work kits, and he's kindly swapped some bottles. So actually he tried the forge bitter. I'll put the video up here. Actually, you'll see that coming up at the side, and I think he was suitably impressed with that one. So let's give this a crack and see what it's like. Oh yeah, nice bit of fizz. Oof, wow. Mango blast straight away. So this Bang Bang Boogie is a West Coast IPA, and I think it's 6%. So you've got a nice level of carbonation in there. Take that up to there. You can see the carbonation coming through. It's not a clear beer, but I'm not bothered too fussed about that. So just in terms of a light, so in terms of the overall colour, it's got that orangey golden colour to it. Like I said, it's not a particularly clear beer, but that's no issue for me. Let's try and give it a bit of a snifter. Oh, so the first thing you do get straight away, even just cracking the bottle, you get a massive burst of mango, fruits, that kind of refreshing. In fact, refreshing, it's probably, you know, like sort of really ripe mango. That's nice. It actually does smell strong as well. I think it's 6% when I've just had to check on the malt miller where he got the kit from, and 6%. So let's give it a taste. So the mango almost disappears. You get the nose of the mango, and then you're getting like sort of a nice cut bitterness, not overly bitter, but more grapefruity. So if you've got a fresh grapefruit and you didn't put any sugar on top of it, and you tried a couple of spoons of that, that's that kind of grapefruity punch to it as well. So it's holding the glass. It's got a nice mouthfeel to it. Really, really punchy flavours. Overwhelming one, like I said, is definitely the grapefruit. Craig, that's a lovely beer. You won't be wanting too many of them at 6%. That would certainly be one of those that could potentially give you a bit of an headache. But no, that's a nice beer. I think maybe a little bit longer for conditioning. I know he was eager to sort of get it in and bottled, and I know he did a keg version as well. They would have been interested to have tried the keg version alongside it, just to see, with a little bit of CO2, a bit more conditioning. But that's it's a lovely, refreshing drink. Pardon me. Yeah, even the burp flavour, you know, sort of the aromas that you get back. That's fresh, fruity, mango, lots and lots of mango on the nose, and sort of finishes off with a not dry, but a crisp grapefruit type finish. So a very, very nice beer. Craig, well done, and look forward to trying some of your others. I might even have a go at that one myself. Short video this week, but I definitely just wanted to give it a taste test. And like I said, Fresh Work Kit from Malt Miller, Bang Bang Boogie. Give it a go. It's a nice beer.